Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to your English class. We are doing chapter 5, A Scribe's Dream, and we have done with exercise A and B in it. Now today let's do exercise C, who said to whom. The first sentence is, we must never fall into the hands of the moneylender. Write the answer. First, this line was said by the scribe to his wife. Okay. Second sentence is, he dreamt that he had borrowed not 1 or 2 but 100 gold coins from the moneylender. This line was said by his wife, which means scribe's wife. The scribe's wife to her friends. Okay, to her friends. Next, third sentence is, 100 gold coins surely you have not forgotten. This line was said by the moneylender. Write the money lender to the scribe. Okay. Next, fourth one is, we must beg Raja Birbal to help us. This line was said by the scribe's wife. The scribe's wife to the scribe. Okay. And last one, fifth number, we have, you may take all the coins in the mirror. This line was said by Raja Birbal. Okay, so write Raja Birbal to the money lender. Okay, money lender. So with this we have done with exercise C, who said to whom. Now let's move on further and solve exercise D. Answer the following question. Okay, remember that you have to note down the questions from your book. I'm here just telling you the answers. Okay, so note down the questions from book in your copy, then write the answer from here. The first question is, what was the scribe proud of? Write the answer. The scribe was proud of the fact that he never borrowed a single paisa. The scribe was proud of the fact that he never borrowed a single paisa from any money lender. Okay, so with this we have done with the first answer. Now let's move on to answer number 2. Let's see the question first. Question 2 is, what did he see in his dream? Write the answer. He saw in his dream that he had borrowed 100 gold coins 100 gold coins from the moneylender. Okay, so with this we have done with answer 2 also. Now let's move on to question number 3 and find out the answer. Question number 3 is, what happened when he told his dream to his wife? Write the answer. His wife told about the dream to her friends and after a few days it spread to the whole village and reached the moneylenders ears. Okay, his wife told about the dream to her friends and after a few days it spread to the whole village and reached the moneylenders' ears. Okay, so with this we have solved with